7 interesting organic food facts. 1. Organic food is produced without synthetic pesticides. One of the key principles of organic farming is the avoidance of synthetic pesticides. Instead, organic farmers use natural methods like crop rotation, companion planting, and biological pest control to manage pests and diseases. 2. Organic standards vary worldwide. Different countries have their own organic certification standards. While there are common principles across regions, such as the avoidance of synthetic chemicals, the specific requirements and regulations can differ. For example, the United States has its National Organic Program, NOP, while the European Union has its own organic regulation. 3. Organic farming promotes soil health. Organic farming practices prioritize soil health and fertility. Techniques like composting, cover cropping, and crop rotation are used to enhance soil structure, promote beneficial microorganisms, and reduce erosion. 4. Organic foods may contain fewer pesticide residues. Studies have found that organic produce tends to have lower levels of pesticide residues compared to conventionally grown counterparts. However, it's important to note that organic does not mean pesticide-free, as some naturally derived pesticides are allowed in organic farming. 5. Organic livestock are raised with specific standards. Organic livestock, such as cows, chickens, and pigs, are raised under specific organic standards. This includes access to outdoor areas, a diet consisting of organic feed, restrictions on antibiotic usage, and the avoidance of growth hormones. 6. Organic foods are not necessarily more nutritious. While organic foods are often associated with being healthier, the nutrient content can vary depending on various factors, including soil quality, crop variety, and post-harvest handling. Some studies have shown minor differences in certain nutrients, but overall, the nutritional variance between organic and conventional foods is not significant. 7. Organic farming supports biodiversity. Organic farming practices prioritize biodiversity conservation. By avoiding synthetic chemicals, protecting natural habitats, and promoting ecological balance, organic farms create favorable environments for a variety of plant and animal species, contributing to overall ecosystem health. It's worth noting that organic food facts can vary depending on the specific regulations and practices in different regions.